Next, 11th question. Satish Limited uses a machine which is 3 years old, although the machine has a life of another 3 years. Okay, అంటే ఆల్రెడీ ఓల్డ్ త్రీ ఇయర్స్ ఓల్డ్ మిషనరీ, సేమ్ మిషనరీతో ఇప్పుడు ప్రొడక్షన్ అనేది కంటిన్యూ చేస్తున్నారు. ఆ మిషనరీ ఇంకో 3 ఇయర్స్ ఫ్యూచర్, ఇంకా 3 ఇయర్స్ కూడా రన్ అవుతుందని చెప్తున్నాడు. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఫ్రీక్వెంట్లీ బ్రేకింగ్ డౌన్ రిజల్టింగ్ ఇన్ హై ఆపరేషన్ కాస్ట్. అంటే ఓల్డ్ మిషనరీ వల్ల ఆర్గనైజేషన్కి చాలా ఆపరేటింగ్ కాస్ట్ అనేది ఎక్కువ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, ఇట్స్ మోర్ ఆపరేటింగ్ కాస్ట్. ద కాస్ట్ ఆపరేటింగ్ కాస్ట్ ఈస్ వెరీ హై. దెన్ ద మేనేజ్మెంట్ ఈస్ కన్సిడరింగ్ రీప్లేసింగ్ ద మిషన్ విత్ న్యూ వన్. అంటే ఓల్డ్ మిషనరీ బదులు మనకు న్యూ మిషనరీ అనేది రీప్లేస్ చేస్తా అని చెప్తున్నారు. విచ్ విల్ సిగ్నిఫికెంట్లీ రెడ్యూస్ ఆపరేటింగ్ ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్ మాత్రం చాలా రెడ్యూస్ అవుతున్నాయంట. ద డీటెయిల్స్ ఆఫ్ ద టూ అసెట్స్ ఆర్ యాజ్ అండర్. అంటే దిస్ ఇస్ ద డీటెయిల్స్ ఈజ్ గివెన్ అబౌట్ టూ మిషనరీ, దట్ ఈస్ ఓల్డ్ మిషనరీ అండ్ new machinery. That is purchase price of the machinery 5 lakhs and 6 lakhs, and remaining life 3 years and 3 years. And remaining life of old machinery there is a 3 years, and if you purchase a new machinery with this 6 lakhs rupees, okay, and that is also life of the machinery only 3 years. Okay, this is the 5 lakhs rupees already purchased 3 years back. Okay, operating cost 1,25,000 for old machinery in every year, and 75,000 for 75,000 for new machinery. This is the operating costs. Okay, operating costs. Next, current disposable value 1 lakh, and it's not applicable. Okay, and if you dispose of this old machinery whenever you purchase the new machine, then it is 1 lakh of the 1 lakh rupees. Now, terminal disposable value 30,000 and 10,000. Advise the management ignore time value of money. Time value of money అనేది ignore చేయమని చెప్తున్నాడు. There is no present value and future values here. Okay, now prepare the statement for 3 years of this the one. Okay, this is operating cost per annum 1,25,000 and 25,000. 1,25,000 every year for old machinery, and for new machinery 25,000 for every year. Okay, it's a per annum. Okay, finally the cost statement is old machine and a new machine. Operating cost 3,75,000. This 3,75,000 means it is actually per annum is operating cost 1,25,000. 1,25,000 into 3, that is 3,75,000 rupees of the operating cost for old machinery. Okay, these are all those values for 3 years information. Okay, and for new machinery every year 25,000 of the operating cost. Then if you multiply it with 25,000 into 3, that is 75,000. Next, current disposable value means if you want to new machinery, okay, you should be disposable of old machinery. If you sold old machinery, that is a disposable value is 1 lakh rupees. That is a 1 lakh. Here it is income. This is 75,000 expenses. Here we are showing expenses as a plus and incomes as a minus 1. Okay, and the terminal disposable value, that is 30,000 and 10,000 of the one. This is also income to the machines. Next, cost of new machine. It's already old machinery already purchased on 3 years back, and now if you want a new machine, you should be purchased at what price? 6 lakhs. Okay, 6 lakhs. Why can I write means this is 6 lakhs of the rupees of the machinery, and used for only 3 years only. The remaining life of the machinery is for new machinery also it's a 3 years. So that is a statement also for preparing 3 years. So finally 6 lakhs we should be, okay, it's a cost of the new machinery. We can consider it as accumulated depreciation, total depreciation here. Okay, that is a 6 lakhs rupees. If you total this, okay, 3,75,000 and this 30,000 terminal disposable value is a 30,000. If you deduct, that is 3,45,000. And new machine, if you come to new machine, 75,000 is a expenditure operating cost and minus 1 lakh minus 10,000 and plus 6 lakhs. Finally, the total expenses is for 3 years 5,65,000 rupees. Here it is save operating expenses, but it's a cost of new machinery, it is high, that is 6 lakhs. Okay, that is the reason it shows high cost. Okay, high expenditure, high amount in this new machinery. Okay, so which is the best one? So the organization should be continue with old machinery only because of less expenses for up to 3 years. That is 3,45,000. If you purchase a new machinery, it is 5,65,000 rupees. Okay, that is only we should be conclude now. It is advisable to retain the old machine. Okay, as the savings is operating costs are less compared to amount of investment to be made for the new machinery. Operating expenses is less if you are comparing to new and old. In the old machinery, operating expenses is more, but if you come to new machinery, the cost of new machinery, okay, new machine, that is the investment for new machinery is very high. Hence we should be conclude like this. Okay, this is only the 11th solution. Okay.